Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can add friends on Bungie.net. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, simply get to the Bungie.net and open the website and make sure that you are logged into your account. Just like this, here you can see I am currently logged into my account, and from here all you need to do is simply click on your profile icon right here, and then here you can see the option of Bungie Friends. Click on this option and then we'll get to this page, from which here you can see there are no pending or Bungie friends that I have or any outgoing requests, right? So what you need to do is simply click on import friends from here. And now from here, you'll have to select which platform you want to import the friends from. So here you can see currently my PlayStation account is linked with my Bungie.net. And if I had any friends on my PlayStation, there would be friends on my Bungie too. So in here you can see I haven't linked any of these platforms with my Bungie account. So if you have linked your account, here all of the friends that you are friends on in Steam would have been friends on in Bungie too. So since I don't have any kind of friends on any of those platforms, I don't have friends in here. So you can't directly add friends on Bungie.net, but if you do have friends on these platforms, you can get friends on Bungie too. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.